Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable account lock for added security on Bright. You want to protect your Bright account with an extra layer of security? Here's how to enable account lock in just a few taps. First, open the Bright app and go to your profile, and then tap security settings. Scroll until you see account lock and toggle it on. Bright will prompt you to confirm your identity, usually with a fingerprint, Face ID, or with your passcode. Once enabled, your account will require biometrics or passcode verification every time somebody tries to access it, even on a trusted device. It's perfect for added peace of mind, especially if you've ever misplaced your phone or share your devices. Security is simple but powerful with Bright. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying financially and digitally secure. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.